Cape Crystal brand's Kappa Carrageenan is a natural thickener made from red edible seaweed, widely used in the food industry for its gelling, thickening and stabilizing properties. Carrageenan is obtained by extracting a kind of red seaweed. It is also known as Irish moss with the E407 code. It is harvested from the sea, then laid out to dry on land before processing to refine it into a yellow-white powder. There are 3 types of carrageenan: Kappa, Iota, and Lambda. Of these, Kappa has a hard gel form, and is often used instead of agar for vegan cheese making. Cape Crystal brand's Kappa Carrageenan is the perfect fit for all your kitchen adventures. Alternative to gelatin, can be used as a substitute for gelatin. Great for molecular gastronomy and modernist cooking. Used in flans, puddings, chocolate, flavored kinds of milk, and soy-based beverages. A good source of dietary fiber. Natural gelling agent. Vegan and kosher certified.